Hello friends, look at this. Oh my god, it is a very unique animal toy. Look friends, but we are very dust toy friends. So clean one by one. Let's go. Friends, look at this. This is a giraffe. This is a long giraffe friends, but we are also dust. So clean fast. Wow, we clean up the giraffe. Look at this friend. That is a four-leg giraffe. Oh my god, so cute giraffe friends. Look this. The giraffe live in forest. Friends, look this. It is a yellow and white color giraffe. So pick up the giraffe. Friends, look at this. This is a crocodile. This is a unique color crocodile friends, but we are very dust. Look this. So clean the dust. Wow, we clean up the dust. Look at this friends. That is a four-leg crocodile. Look friends, it is a very dangerous, but we are unique color, but so nice beautiful color friends. The crocodile live in water, so pick up the crocodile. Friends, look at this. What is this? This is a dog. It's a blue colored dog, but we are very dust. So clean the dog. Wow, we clean up the dog. Look at this friend. That is a four-leg dog. Oh my god, it is a very unique color. Look friends, but so nice. Wow friends, look this. So cute. The dog live in home. So pick up the dog. Friends, look at this. This is a tiger. This is a Royal Bengal tiger friends, but it is a very dust. So clean the tiger. Wow, we clean the tiger. Look at this friend. There is a black and yellow color tiger. Oh my god, so nice beautiful color. Friends, look this. There is a four leg, but tiger is very dangerous. Run fast tiger friends. The tiger live in forest. Friends, look this. What is this? This is a deer. Very dust deer friends. Look this. So clean the deer. Wow, we clean up the deer. Look at this friends. There is a four-leg deer. Oh my god, it is a red and white color deer friends. So nice beautiful color. Friends, look this. It is a cute deer. The deer live in jungle. So pick up the deer. Friends, look this. This is a duck. Big duck, friends. But we are very dust. So clean fast. Wow. We clean up the dog. Look at this, friends. That is a four-legged dog. Oh my god. Friends, look this. It is a black and white colored dog, friends. So cute dog. The dog live in home. So pick up the dog. Friends, look at this. This is a hands. Very dust. Look this. So clean the hands. Wow. We clean up the hands. Look at this, friends. That is a two-leg hands. Oh my god. So cute. But we are a little boy. Friends, look at this. It is a green color hands. So nice, beautiful color. The hands live in home. So pick up the hands. Friends, look at this. We all animal toy clean. So let's go. Thank you for watching.